Hello everyone. Welcome to the first lecture in our course on business intelligence. Let's begin with a question. Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix know exactly what you want to watch next? This isn't magic, it's business intelligence, BI, in action. In this lecture, we will talk about what business intelligence means, why it is so important, and how businesses use it to stay ahead of their competition. In this lecture, you will understand the definition of business intelligence, learn why BI is essential for decision making in businesses, explore the broad scope of BI across industries, discover how companies leverage data to gain competitive edge. Business intelligence, often called BI, is a way of businesses to make sense of their data. It's like putting together pieces of a puzzle to see the whole picture. Companies collect information about sales, customers, and operations, and BI helps them analyze this data to make better decisions. Business intelligence works by transforming raw data into meaningful insights that guide decision making. The process involves several key steps to ensure that the data is collected, analyzed, and presented effectively. Let's get into detail. BI starts with gathering data from various sources such as database, spreadsheets, APIs, and even real-time streams. This data might include sales figures or web analytics. A retail company collects data from its online store, physical locations, and social media channels. The collected data is then cleaned to remove duplicates, fix errors, and standardize formats. This step ensures the data is accurate and ready for analysis. For instance, if dates are stored in different formats across systems, they are standardized to a single format for consistency. The cleaned data is integrated into central location, such as data warehouse or cloud-based system. This makes it easier to access and analyze large data sets. For example, sales data from different regions is merged into one centralized system for a comprehensive view. BI tools provide intuitive interfaces for users to explore data and customize reports. Features like filters, drill down options, and interactive dashboards make it easy to focus on specific areas of interest. For example, a sales manager uses a BI dashboard to filter data by region and drill down into store level performance. Think of BI like a weather forecast. Before heading out, you check the forecast to decide what to wear or if you need an umbrella. Similarly, businesses use BI to prepare for challenges and opportunities. The moral of the story is simple. Just as you trust the weather forecast to make better choices, businesses trust BI to make smarter decisions. Now that we've explored what business intelligence is, let's address the bigger question. Why is it so important for modern organizations? BI enables companies to understand customer behavior and buying trends better. This insight helps organizations create or improve products to meet customer needs. For instance, if BI reveals that a certain product is trending, businesses can adjust marketing strategies or stock levels to maximize profits. Ultimately, these insights improve customer satisfaction and boost revenue. With BI systems, organizations gain a clearer view of their processes and operations. Instead of shifting through lengthy reports, BI provides a detailed, real time snapshot of performance across departments. BI does not just display data, it uncovers patterns and trends that are critical for decision making. For example, BI might show a pattern of declining sales in a specific region, prompting the business to investigate further and adjust its strategy. BI is not limited to one type of business. Its scope is vast, spanning across industries like healthcare, education, sports, and retail. It helps hospitals predict patient needs, schools track student performances, and sports teams analyze player statistics. For example, a basketball team might use BI to study their opponent's gameplay and adjust their strategy accordingly. This ensures they're better prepared to win the game. BI brings the same advantages to businesses, giving them insights that competitors might not have. Businesses use BI to analyze their strengths and weaknesses. They can understand customer preferences, improve their operations, and predict future trends. Take Starbucks as an example. The use of BI to decide where to open new stores and what drinks to feature based on customer behavior. This ensures that their growth is strategic and profitable. Howard Dressner, a leading expert in BI, explains that BI helps companies transform raw data into meaningful insights. This transformation is the key to staying ahead in competitive market. Choose a company you admire. Research how they use data to improve their services or products. Write a short paragraph explaining how BI helps them succeed. In a nutshell, business intelligence is about using data to make smarter choices. We explored its definition, purpose, scope, and how businesses use it to remain competitive. What's your opinion about BI so far? Can you think of examples in your life where data could help make better decisions? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture.